He goes to the match. He goes to the match. He went to the match yesterday. He went to the match yesterday. He hits a six. He hits a six. He hit a six yesterday. He hit a six yesterday. He scores a run. He scores a run. He scored a run yesterday. The team plays well. The team plays well. The team played well. The team played well. He catches the ball. He catches the ball. He caught the ball. He caught the ball. He makes a century. He makes a century. He made a century. He made a century. The bowler bowls the ball. The bowler bowls the ball. The bowler bowled the ball. The bowler bowled the ball. I see the ball. I see the ball. I saw the ball yesterday. I saw the ball yesterday. I take the bat. I took the bat yesterday. I take the bat. I took the bat yesterday. I tell the score. I tell the score. I told the score yesterday. I told the score yesterday. I teach cricket. I teach cricket. I taught cricket yesterday. I taught cricket yesterday. I bring snacks. I brought snacks yesterday. I bring snacks. I brought snacks yesterday. I leave the ground. I left the ground. I leave the ground. I left the ground. I speak loudly. I spoke loudly yesterday. I speak loudly. I spoke loudly yesterday. I meet my friend. I met my friend yesterday. I meet my friend. I met my friend yesterday. Write notes. I wrote the notes yesterday. Write notes. I wrote the notes yesterday. We win the match. We won the match. We win the match. We won the match. The crowd cheered loudly. The crowd cheered loudly. Crowd cheered loudly. Crowd cheered loudly.